Do you feel nervous when you go shopping in English? Today, Anna, Mark, and Maman go to the mall, and you will learn the most important shopping phrases. Watch until the end to practice with us. Let's start.
Here we are. This is the mall.
Wow, this mall is big.
Yes, this mall is very big.
What do you want to buy today, Anna?
I want to buy a new dress.
Okay. And you, Marik, what do you want to buy?
I want to buy new shoes.
Good. First, we go to the clothing store.
Great. I love the clothing store.
Me too. I love the clothing store.
Repeat these phrases. Mall, clothing store, dress, shoes. What do you want to buy?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I want to buy a dress.
What size do you need?
I need size medium.
What color do you like?
I like blue. Do you have a blue dress in size medium?
Yes, we have a blue dress in size medium. Here it is.
Thank you. How much is this dress?
This dress is $30.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can try this on. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you very much.
Maman, can I try this on too?
Yes, you can try this on.
Repeat these phrases. Can you help me? What size do you need? What color do you like? How much is this? Can I try this on?
Mom, what do you think?
It looks beautiful on you.
Thank you. I like this dress.
I like this dress too.
Do you like your shoes, Mark?
Yes, I like these shoes. They are comfortable.
Good. Do you want to buy the dress, Anna?
Yes, I want to buy this dress.
And you, Mark? Do you want to buy the shoes?
Yes, I want to buy these shoes.
Perfect. Let's go to the cashier.
Repeat these phrases. What do you think? It looks beautiful. I like this. Do you want to buy this?
Wait, Maman, I forgot something.
What did you forget, Mark?
I want to buy socks too. Can I buy socks?
Yes, you can buy socks. Where are the socks?
The socks are over there.
Let's go to the socks.
Excuse me, where are the socks?
The socks are here. What color do you want?
I want black socks.
How many pairs do you want?
I want 2 pairs of socks.
Okay, 2 pairs of black socks. Here you are.
Thank you. How much are the socks?
The socks are $5 per pair. 2 pairs are $10.
Okay, thank you.
Repeat these phrases. I forgot something. Where are the socks? How many pairs do you want? How much are the socks?
Hello? Are you ready to pay?
Yes, we are ready to pay.
Okay, 1 dress, 1 pair of shoes, and 2 pairs of socks. That is $65, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you want the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Repeat these phrases. Are you ready to pay? That is $65, please. Here you are. Do you want the receipt?
I love my new dress.
I love my new shoes.
I am happy you like your new things.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama. And I love my new socks too.
You're welcome. Shopping is fun.
Yes, shopping is fun.
I want to go shopping again.
Maybe next week we can go shopping again.
Can we go to the bookstore next time?
Yes, I want to go to the bookstore.
Okay, next time we go to the bookstore.
Yay!
Final revision of vocabulary. Today you learned these important shopping phrases. Can you help me? What size do you need? What color do you like? How much is this? Can I try this on? I forgot something. Where are the socks? How many pairs do you want? Are you ready to pay? Great job!
Now you can go shopping in English. Which phrase helped you the most today? Write it in the comments below. Do you want to see part 2 of Shopping Adventure? Anna and Mark will go to the bookstore next time. Click the like button if you want part 2. Subscribe to Naya English channel for more easy English dialogues. Practice these phrases every day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.